Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel, and this is Talk Anywhere without Google Translate. So guys, I have this application over here that is available on the Google Play Store itself. So make sure to download this one, and once you have downloaded it, just simply open it up. And from here, as you can see, you can just simply speak and translate onto this app. So just simply go ahead and select continue. And from here, just simply select your native language. So for example, I'm going to go for English, and I'm going to go ahead and go for a different country. So let's say I'm going to go for Tagalog over here, and just simply select the check mark on the top right corner. And from here, you could just simply select start conversation. And from here, of course, just simply allow the microphone access and just simply select allow again. And from here, you could just simply go ahead and select the microphone icon at the bottom, and you should be able to record your audio. And from here, as you can see, they should be able to read how it works. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. It is a very simple app, and thanks for watching.